Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to answer calls using gestures in your Infinix smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, you have to open settings. Swipe down, here it is system settings, and swipe down, here it is, click on actions and gestures. Here it is answer call using gestures. There are two types of gestures here. You have to just take two fingers and point out at the camera, and it will answer the call. And call rejection, by doing 20 centimeter distance from your phone, and you have to you can see use the shown gesture about 20 centimeter above. You have to see a hand like this. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.